Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Get it fast and free, ship it to you, and it's added to your cart. Check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. So we're about to see what's inside. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. We got Prime Day coming up. A bunch of good. Father's Day. That's another thing coming up. Alright, we got rid of that. Oh boy. Whoa. It's like a micro thing. UV disinfectant lamp. Application. Bedroom. Bathroom. Kitchen. Cabinet. Wardrobe. Lobby, cars. Well, you could take this on the road. Maybe during your camping trips. Those long trips in the car. An RV. And inside, see what this thing looks like. This is tiny though. Here's all the good stuff. Application. Caution. Oh, because of the ultraviolet rays. So you may want to make sure your dog don't stare into it or your kid. Please keep the product out of reach of children. Do not. The eyes, skin. Whoa. Due to harm of ultraviolet to eyes. Oh boy. Alright. USB cable. Whoa. Look at you, little guy. Come on out. So we're not going to stare at it. We're just going to like test it out. USB goes there. Bottom. I gotta charge it. Oh man. I need an open USB slot. Be right back. Alright guys, we're gonna hop over to the computer desk. I mean, you can use this for your computer desk, your gaming area. It's charging right there. Oh boy. Hopefully this don't blind us. Still probably needs to be charged. Dang. Alright, we'll be right back. We'll give it a while to charge, and YouTube magic will be right. Alrighty guys, we got her plugged in, charged up. Took under 20 minutes to charge this little guy. So definitely check them out. Link is going to be down below. And don't stare in the light, kitties. Hold on a sec. Alright guys, we got it going. You can see the ultraviolet right there. Oh, pretty cool. There you go. So check these guys out. Link will be down below. Get one now. And you guys be safe. Have a good day. See you guys soon.